Hey guys, I wanted to get on here today and talk about zinc. It's an important mineral that we should be getting in our diet because our body does not produce it and we can't store it for long lengths of time. So it's something that we need to make sure is in the food we're eating and we're getting through quality supplements. So let's talk a little bit about why it's important and what it can do. So zinc plays a vital role in protein synthesis, cell signaling and neurotransmission, vision. It helps regulate cell production in the immune system, and it's also important for things even like taste and smell. So we don't want to lose any of those things or not have them work. So specifically, it can benefit our immune system. It helps to activate the T cells in your body, and those help you in two ways. So they control and regulate the responses of your immune system, like attacking like infected cells and things in your body. And then they also help to like regulate those responses so that your immune system works the way it's supposed to, just in general. And then they as far as your immune system goes, zinc may also help to decrease just symptoms of common colds and that kind of thing. And then it also helps with wound healing. So it helps to keep your skin in tip-top shape, which then when that is the way it should be, it's going to heal faster and in the way that God intended when He created us. So zinc is also important to the production of collagen, and collagen is another big thing that plays into skin health. So those kind of go hand in hand. And if you look at a lot of vitamins and minerals, they really pair together to work best and give your body what you need most. And then it can also affect your vision. There was a population-based cohort study conducted in the Netherlands that showed that high-dose supplementation along with beta-carotene, vitamins C and E, and zinc can slow the process of age-related macular degeneration and vision loss. So that's pretty cool. And again, you have those vitamins and those minerals working together. And then it can also help you with cognition, just your brain functioning the way it should. I know I need help with that every day. So when you pair zinc and vitamin B, you get that really good benefit of helping the neurotransmitters in your brain to function properly. So a lot of what I just told you came from an article that was written by this lady, and I'm going to put her name here in the video because I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce it, and I don't want to butcher it. So then just a few signs that might give you a clue that you are deficient in zinc would be slow growth, weak immune system, slow wound healing, hair loss, unexplained weight loss, infertility, white marks on your fingernails, ridges in your fingernails, or even stretch marks. All of those tying back to like skin and all those things. So then what are some natural sources of zinc? You can choose different foods to help support your body. Really being healthy comes down to simply like choosing healthy foods sometimes. So oysters, beef, chicken legs, pork chops, hemp seed, lentils, yogurt, oatmeal, and even shiitake mushrooms. And shiitake mushrooms are great for the immune system as well. So pairing like that has zinc in it, which would be another reason why those mushrooms are so great. And then of course, some specific supplements from Young Living, and I take probably about half of these, and I've used almost all of them. So Balance Complete is a meal replacement type shake that has zinc in it. ImmuPro is a chewable tablet that is specifically targeted for supporting your immune system. Master Formula is a liquid supplement that a lot of people take to help support good cognition, so that's in there. MegaCal is a magnesium and calcium supplement that I take every day. It really helps me with like fighting muscle cramps and that sort of thing. Just keeps my muscles in tip-top shape. Not because I'm like an athlete or anything, but just because I need them to function. So zinc is in there as well. Ningxia Red contains amounts of zinc. Pure Protein Complete, which is our protein powder. There's a chocolate flavor and vanilla spice. The chocolate is amazing. I haven't tried the vanilla, but I love the chocolate. And then also our supplement Super B, which I take every day. So that zinc along with the B6 and the other B vitamins for cognitive function and other things. And then also Super C, which obviously vitamin C is great for your immune system. And then you pair it with the mineral zinc and you've got both of those working together. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys stay healthy, and I hope you have a wonderful week. We'll see you next Monday.